National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 1 p.m. this afternoon to 11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening. Some affected locations: Whidbey Island, Camino Island including Oak Harbor and Coopville, and the Port Townsend area. North winds will rise early this afternoon across the whole area. Winds will shift northeasterly this evening with the strongest winds shifting to affect mainly the west coast of Whidbey Island. Winds will finally ease around midnight. North wind 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 45 miles per hour, shifting northeast this evening. Impacts: winds may knock down tree branches and possibly weaker trees, especially those that still have their leaves. Local power outages are possible. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 30 to 39 miles per hour or gusts of 45